So what's going on in Keystone today? The same as yesterday. Snow and slick roads. And looks like fog, but it's actually snow. And yep, it's coming down good. It's really flurrying. See if we can make it down this 15% grade. Hopefully they got their salt trucks out today. Looks like it could slick up later. Oh yeah, these roads are good. I don't know how Burl ever ran into these guardrails. He must have been really driving fast or something. All right. That's all that's going on today. Everybody have a good day.